right, welcome back everybody. Thank you for coming back to the channel. And if you've been with us for any length of time, you'll recognize that this is Rufus Morgan Falls, and we did this a little over a year ago. Although last time I did it, I didn't have a drone, which is one of the reasons I'm coming back today, is to try to get some drone shots. But also met a friend online who loves hiking as well, and her dog Lola are here. So we're hiking with Lori and Lola, and we're going to go up to Rufus Morgan. And also after this trail, we're going to be at Wayah Bald at another site, which is right up the road from here. Rufus Morgan, if you recall, it's just a hair over a mile, and it's a loop trail. So when you start out, you make a full loop, come back to where you started. Really not that hard. It's not strenuous, and there's really not a whole lot of steep areas. So this one I'd rate as easy. So since we've had a lot of rain lately, we're gonna hike up to Rufus Morgan, see what kind of waterfall we've got today, see if we can get some drone shots in, and then we'll head out and we'll be going to the Wayah Bald lookout tower. So look for that next. Thank you for coming back, and I will see everybody up on the trail.
Yeah, not too bad. Of course, a lot of these logs and stuff weren't here the last time I did it, but that hurricane had come through. So All right, so that's Rufus Morgan with the drone this time. Still beautiful. So I think we're gonna head out and go to Wayah Bald next. Thank you for everybody coming back, and I will see you at the next hike.